Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can post a poll on Facebook. So for that purpose you have to open the Facebook app. Now you have to move in these three lines. Now search for groups. Now make a new group. Create a new group. Now you have to name your group. Now you have to choose the privacy as public. Now you have to click on the done button. Now you have to tap on the create button simply. Now it will take a few seconds to create the group. Now you have to search for friends if you wanna add any members in the group. Otherwise you have to tap on the next button. Now you have to choose the profile picture for your group. Now you have to tap on the next, again next, again next, and again done. Now you have to tap on this write something, and now you can say what's your favorite color. Now you have to scroll down and search for this poll button. Here are option 1 and 2. Now in option 1 you have to say the first option whichever you are giving to your poll, just like black and blue. If you wanna add more options, then you have to tap on this add poll option. After this you have to tap on the done button. Now finally your poll is created. Now you have to tap on this post button, and there you go. Now you have to refresh it once again and see, it's our poll right now here. Now we can tap on the poll and this will show the result as follows.